In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keyframes in CapCut Mobile on your iPhone. Keyframes are a powerful feature that allows you to animate your video clips, making them more dynamic and engaging. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to bring your videos to life using keyframes. First, you will want to open the CapCut app on your iPhone. Once inside, navigate to the project you wish to edit. If you haven't created any projects yet, go ahead and start a new one by importing your video clips into the timeline. This is where all the magic happens. Next, find the video clip on the timeline that you want to animate. Tap on that clip to select it. This action brings up a variety of editing options, but today we're focusing on adding keyframes. Make sure you're zoomed in on the timeline so you can accurately place your keyframes at the right moments. With the clip selected, you need to move the playhead to the exact point in the timeline where you want the animation to begin. The playhead is a vertical line that shows your current position in the timeline, so just scroll left or right until you find the perfect frame to start your motion. Now it's time to add a keyframe. Look for the keyframe icon at the bottom of your screen. It resembles a small diamond shape. Tap it and you'll notice a tiny diamond appears on your timeline, indicating where your keyframe has been placed. This is your reference point for making changes. Once you've inserted your keyframe, the fun starts. You can now adjust the clip's position, scale or rotation to create your desired animation effect. For instance, if you want the clip to zoom in, pinch to zoom on the screen to increase its size. Want it to rotate? Simply use two fingers to turn the clip. Here's a great tip. CapCut will automatically add another keyframe whenever you make an adjustment at a different point in time, so as you move the playhead forward or backward and make additional changes, new keyframes are created capturing those changes. This makes it incredibly simple to create smooth transitions between different states of your clip. When you're satisfied with your animation, it's time to save your masterpiece. Tap the export option, typically found at the top right corner of your screen. This will render your video with all the keyframe animations you've applied, making your video ready to share with the world. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can add dynamic animations to your videos right from your iPhone using CapCut. Experiment with different movements and effects to give your footage a creative edge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more video editing tips.